Aam Aadmi Party MLA is taking a chance now on this video, attacking Swati Maliwal. AAP MLA says Maliwal has been seen openly abusing the Chief Minister's staff. AAP MLA slamming Swati Maliwal over this video, but quickly deletes that post later. One of the AAP MLAs who puts out a post where he's slamming Swati Maliwal, saying that look at her, she's openly abusing the Chief Minister's staff, and that's the image that we're playing out, Naresh Balyan, where he puts out a message on X, a statement that he says Swati Maliwal is openly abusing the CM staff. He puts out that tweet and in minutes or less than minutes, he deletes that post. Shreya Chatterjee for more on that. Shreya, we're not looking at any of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders coming out on record to speak about this case. What does that mean? If this is a case of assault, then it is a human rights violation, and based on that, they are supposed to be giving a formal statement. But AAP has refused to come out before the media. They've stayed very strategically silent. That also leaves so much room to speculation and doubt.
Well, Nabila, this is also selective response that is coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. When they were in the dock, when Bibhav Kumar was in the dock, they were completely silent, Samam not responding a word. Now suddenly, when a video has surfaced, they are trying to character assassinate a woman. Instead of coming in requesting the Delhi police to finish the investigation, instead of asking Bibhav Kumar to appear before the Delhi police and not remain incommunicado, because what is the reason that Bibhav Kumar is not present anywhere, not appearing before the Delhi police, not answering to the NCW calls, and suddenly a video appears to somewhere down the line keep the light away from what Swati Maliwal has claimed in that FIR. These entire details that have been given by Swati Maliwal, once again, is the job of the Delhi police to investigate, which can only be done when the other side, in this matter, Bibhav Kumar, comes before the Delhi police, answers the required questions, and if he has similar evidence in the form of video, give the same to the Delhi police. What we are seeing right now is an open character assassination that is being done of a victim who's come out seeking help. Whether or not she's right or wrong is the job of the Delhi police and the law enforcement agencies to do, not a political party who's always been seen advocating for women rights, and that too an incident which is being suggested happened inside the CM residence. This is not the way the discourse should be. We are also talking about several women who are watching this play out and probably will be left bereaved seeing how women atrocities are being treated openly.
It's really strange and odd that Arvind Kejriwal himself hasn't come out to give a statement. We hear has great equation with Swati Maliwal. She's one of their core members within the team. And if she claims that she's been assaulted by his PA, then it should have been only mandatory for Arvind Kejriwal to come out and speak before the media and almost put speculation at rest. Maybe take up the onus on his own to carry forward with investigation so Swati Maliwal gets justice. She's filed a complaint now with details that we've shown out played out for you. But this video now changing a lot. The police verifying this video, but in the meanwhile, we know that politics has erupted with BJP launching a proper protest right outside the Chief Minister's residence, demanding justice for her.